Alright, I wanted to get this shot for you. That's a bird in the midst of all that. It's not really moving. I'm going to try and get a little closer. Alright, now I'm a little closer. I'm waiting for him to fly, but he's just still sitting there playing chicken with me. I'm pretty close right now. Come on, dude. Come on. You're just gonna sit there? The minute I put the camera down, it's so hard to hold the camera and paddle at the same time. I have to really figure this out. I don't know what I did with my GoPro. I think I gave it to my great nephew, Liam. I'm not sure what I did with it. Come on, birdie. Come on. Yeah, you know I'm scaring you. There you go. What are you gonna do? Oh, you're so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna let him go. I'm not gonna make him fly. He looks pretty content. Oh, he's angry. Look at his mouth's open. Huh. There she goes.